I don't know. All right, man, let's go ahead and settle this, man. We got some pork ribs right here. We're gonna go butcher paper, aluminum foil, and no paper at all. And we're gonna smoke them at the same temps. We're gonna rock out all the way through. And we're gonna see which one is the best, man, because everybody keeps saying one is better than the other, so we're gonna settle it today, man. Let's get it. All right, so I got one of them already, nice and cleaned, membrane gone. And then we're gonna do the same thing to all three of them, get the membrane off of them. They already been cleaned. I'm gonna pull these off, get them seasoned up, man. We're gonna get them right on Big Greasy ASAP. This old thickener right here.
Yeah, that one kind of thick.
Good Lord, all right, well, in the bucket you go. Damn, this one too. The fuck? Here we go. This bitch is here. Hold on now.
You like them a little skimp?
Nah, I wouldn't really say that. It's just, these some thick ass ribs. But anyways, same process, gonna be the same. Let me rip this off the back.
That's why I stick to my lamb chops.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Lamb chops can get like this too, you gotta pay for them.
Yeah.
Boom.
But we can't compare the lamb to the pork.
Nah, too different. There you go. Now we got 3 of them bad boys laying up in there looking real nice. Now it's time to go ahead and get these seasoned up, man, and ready for Big Greasy. There's a big one right here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and settle this. We're gonna go ahead and settle this, because I'm tired of seeing it in the comments. Butcher paper, wrap, no wrap, that. So guess what? We're gonna do all 3 of them today. We're gonna settle this, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So we got the ribs out here on the back deck with it. So we're gonna do these things the same way. Binder, seasoning, on the smoker, same temp, same everything. Everything gonna be virtually the same all the way across the board. I mean, some of them are thicker than the other, but I couldn't do nothing about that there. So don't shoot me down for that. But everything else is gonna be virtually the same all the way across the board. So we're gonna go ahead and get these seasoned up. W sauce, just like that. Boom. And we're just gonna get everything rubbed in. Everything rubbed in, flipped, dipped, all the way across. Make sure you get your binder of choice. It could be mustard, it could be W sauce, it could be whatever you ketchup all like here. But just make sure you get you some
honey mustard.
Something on these ribs, man, to help it stick, man. Some people choose to, some people choose not to. So boom, with that, we're gonna do it on the bottom side first. Get the bottom, flipping them all over. All right, so now we just gonna hit it. Hit this bottom half real quick. I don't really go too heavy on the bottom side, even on my pork ribs, because it ain't nothing but really bone for real. Get a little thin layer of fat. Then we're gonna flip them all. Boom, boom, and boom. Then we're gonna go right across the top. Make sure I do this right. And after that, we're gonna let them sit for about 15-20 minutes. Let some of that seasoning, some of that salt get down up in these ribs. And after that, man, we're going straight on Big Greasy with it. Same time, probably gonna do like a 3-hour smoke. And we're gonna roll these at the same time, same temp. I'm gonna wrap 2 of them, one in butcher, one in aluminum foil. We're gonna leave the other ones out. Hey man, like I said, we're gonna settle this. We're gonna settle this once and for all. All right, so we back. So we're gonna go ahead and get these ribs on Big Greasy. And again, we're gonna run this thing 3 tests. This is test day. We're gonna run the test on the 3 slabs of ribs. And we're gonna see what's the best method. So I got them right here. Go ahead and rip the panties off. Voila. And as y'all can see, yeah, the fit has changed. I had something to do. But we rolling, baby. That don't stop the show. So I know it was a super thick one.
You had 2 big ones.
All right, so we're gonna put the thin one back here on this back side. Just like that, right there. Then we're gonna roll the other one right there. And this the thick one right here.
Good God.
We're gonna put this one right there. Like I said, we're gonna roll them at the same time, same temps, nothing gonna change. It's gonna be relatively the same all the way across the board. And we're gonna smoke these for about a good, I'm gonna say we're gonna smoke these for about a good hour and a half before I open it up and check them. We're gonna roll it real low and slow, about 275, 250. And we'll check them about an hour and a half, man. Drop down in the comments, y'all let me know. What's y'all best method? Do y'all like yours wrapped in butcher paper? Do y'all do the full method? Or do y'all just leave y'all's regular? Let me know. Drop down in the comments.
I'm going for
What you going for? Talk to me.
no wrap.
I'm going for the no wrap.
And if you wrap,
Now the no wrap gonna have, you know, from previous experience, because I've done no wrap before. I've done aluminum foil before. I've never done butcher paper before. So butcher paper gonna be new to me.
Oh, you haven't?
I've never done butcher paper, so butcher paper gonna be new to me. And I'm just ready to see. I think no wrap is gonna be good because I like that bark on there. That bark gonna really build up on them ones with the no wrap. But
I feel like when you go wrap, you gotta add the honey in there. But the last time you wrapped them, it still had those juices.
I didn't put nothing on there, and I ain't gonna put nothing on it this time. I'm gonna just wrap them up, get them real nice and tight, throw them back on there for 30 minutes. We're gonna do 30 minutes with the wrap back on the smoker. So, hey, I'll see y'all in the future, man. Hour and a half. All right, man. We pushing 2 hours and some change, man. And we rolling high temps right now. But look at these bad boys, though. Okay. This how we looking. We got the, is that juice? But yeah, this is how we looking. This is 2.5 hours in. Bones starting to pull back just a little bit. Bones pulling back on this side just a little bit. Same thing with this one. That color is nice and dark, just how I like it. The bottom looking real good. And the little shorty 40 over here, this one about ready to come. Look at that, it's about to flap away. So we're gonna go ahead and take these two off, because these are the two that we're gonna do the full with and the butcher paper. Let's go ahead and get to it and get these wrapped. All right, so we back in the house with it, man. We got them bad boys off the grill. We left the third rack still on there because I ain't doing no wrap on that one. So we're gonna do one butcher paper and we're gonna do one aluminum foil. So as you can see, these things dripping juice like crazy. So let's go ahead and get them wrapped. So the first one, we're gonna go ahead and go with the butcher paper first, since I ain't never did this one. Ribs and butcher paper, I've never done those before. Interesting, right? So we're gonna go meat side down. Boom. Look at this. We're gonna fold this thing. I'm gonna go in the middle with it. We're just gonna fold it right across the top. And we're gonna do both of these the same exact way. No juice, no honey, no barbecue sauce, none of that. We're gonna do them the same exact way. We're just gonna roll them up. Tuck them ends in right quick. And just like that, boom. That's one. I'm gonna put that back on the smoker just like that for about 30 minutes. And now, we're finna go with the old traditional way with the foil. Meat side down. I need to invest in some of that big heavy duty foil, because this foil ain't big enough to cover the whole rack. Boom. Oh, rip it. All right, I'm gonna have to go 2 layers with that one because I ripped it.
We're going with the, I don't know, unwrap.
For some reason, I think it's gonna be
Unwrap or...
I think it's gonna be unwrapped,
Or
butcher
butcher.
paper, and then this one.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
That's my personal opinion. But we got about 30 more minutes. We're gonna throw them back on there. Let the thing get some more smoke, just like this. Both of them nice and wrapped, and the other one's still on the smoker. Let's go ahead and throw these back on Big Grease and let's get to it. So we got them back outside with it, and like I said, we're gonna go upside down, skid side down. And as you can see, we still got the ones, no butcher paper, sitting right there. So boom, you know what? Do I should go? Nope, I'm gonna go up just like that. We ain't playing around with it. And this one, we're gonna go upside down. You know what? I'm gonna go upside down with this one too. Go upside down with it just like that. We're gonna let these sit on here for about 30 minutes. At least until that fire go down right there. We're gonna let it roll for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna snatch them off. And then it's gonna be the moment of truth. We're gonna see which ones is which. I'm liking the bark and the color on these though. And they, like I said, they flapping. Like they ready to fly off somewhere. But yeah, we're gonna put them back on there. We're gonna let them do what they do. All right, so here we go. We got the butcher paper, non-butcher paper, and aluminum foil ribs. They off the smoker and they ready to be cut down. So right here, we're cutting down the non-wrap ribs. Again, they all smoke, same temp, same times. And we're gonna lay them all down so everybody can get a little taste of each one. We got some testers on the side, and we're gonna get into it. So these ones right here, we got the butcher paper wrap. Them was the most juicy ones that I could see. They look the most juicy. So butcher paper, ribs, put them to the side, get them ready for the testers. And then we got the foil, last but not least. It's the typical way everybody mostly do theirs with the foil. Then they look pretty juicy too, so we're gonna cut them down as well. Look at them fools. Cut them on down as well. Put them to the side, get them ready, and we're gonna see what everybody think, man. All right, so I got my taste testers here, and they're gonna tell me which one they think is the best. So again, we got the foil ones that's right here, that's wrapped in foil. We got the butcher paper right here, and we got no wrap right here. So Raquel, Drew, y'all grab one.
You want this one first?
Yeah.
We're doing this one?
That's the foil one.
Okay. Oh, dang.
Y'all just go in, y'all bite into it, tell me what y'all think.
Yeah. Okay, which one that is like?
That's the foil.
Beef. All right, go on to the next one. They know me eat after this one.
Alright, so these ones right here, those are the ones that's wrapped in butcher paper.
Butcher paper. I don't know.
Alright, so last but not least, we got the one that's just straight smoke, no wrap, no nothing. Just smoked all the way until they was tender.
Okay, now wrap rib. Okay. That's on the cookie jar? I'm cooking. Wait. Alright, go ahead. Yeah. I think I like no wrap.
So no wrap here?
No wrap. No wrap. This ain't better than
So no wrap.
No wrap. For
No
sure.
wrap.
no wrap.
Alright, well, there you have it. They say no wrap is the winner. Hey, so that's how we're gonna be rolling our ribs from here on out, man. Make sure y'all tap in.